Hey folks, Greg Rubino, General Manager, Lauria Volkswagen, here with my sales manager, James Fimbo, let you know about some really exciting stuff we have going on at the dealership in the month of March. I'm gonna pass it over to James to kick it off.
How you doing, folks? The time is here at last. The Autobahn for All sales event is on. What that means for you, 3 years in fact, prepaid maintenance on most 2021 models. You also got some enhanced loyalty offers, and lease is starting at 0.99%. And don't you forget, Tim Hortons Roll Up the Rim is on right now, and we're giving away the brand new Volkswagen Taos. Pretty exciting stuff. Anything else exciting going on, Greg?
Now we've got our 2020 clear out on, and these are some of the best deals of the year. But supplies are limited, so you're gonna have to come in and check it out. The deals are absolutely amazing. Come on down, check us out. Look forward to hearing from you soon.